Hey friends, tonight's fast, easy dinner is Winky Paprikash. So Winky, my old friend, has a couple of vegetarian kids. This recipe easily adapts to vegan, vegetarian. You can add protein if you want. This is just onions and mushrooms, a little tomato paste, and some sweet paprika. We're gonna add some sour cream, you can add yogurt, you can go non-dairy on this, and that is going to get mixed with some pasta. We have some beautiful handmade pasta here, and that's going to be the stroganoff. On the side, we're going to make the Christopher Kimball's Milk Street pork paprika, and this is done with smoked paprika, so really delightful, lovely flavor on that simply grilled pork. We're just going to do it in a cast iron skillet with salt and pepper, medallions, and then do a little sauce out of the olive oil, a little sugar, and we'll rub that up together and then serve that over pork with that paprikash on the side. Yum! It's a Hungarian dinner. Have a great week, everybody.